The Creality K2 SE is a high-speed, precision-focused 3D printer designed for makers, hobbyists, and professionals who want fast performance without sacrificing quality. With its solid metal construction, Core XY motion system, and upgradable multicolor capability, it delivers reliable results for both creative and functional printing projects. 500mm high-speed Core XY printing. Powered by a lightweight Core XY motion system, the K2 SE reaches speeds of up to 500 mm with acceleration up to 20,000 mm. A built-in vibration sensor, combined with an advanced input shaping algorithm, actively minimizes ringing and resonance. This ensures smoother walls, sharper details, and consistent print quality, even at high speeds. Solid metal build for stability and precision. The K2 SE features a die-cast aluminum alloy frame, reinforced with corner gussets and dual-side crossbeams for maximum rigidity. This solid metal structure reduces frame flex during rapid movements, maintaining excellent dimensional accuracy and professional surface finishes across prototypes, large models, and everyday parts. Expandable multicolor printing. As an upgraded version of the K1 SE, the K2 SE is fully compatible with the Creality CFS multicolor system, sold separately. Once connected, it supports automatic filament identification, relay switching, tangle and runout detection, and seamless multicolor slicing via Creality print software. This upgrade transforms the printer into a powerful multi-material solution when needed. Direct drive extruder with quick swap nozzle. The modular direct drive extruder provides precise filament control for both high-speed and detailed prints. It includes a convenient quick swap nozzle for reduced downtime, hardened steel dual drive gears for smooth and durable feeding, and a built-in filament runout sensor for reliable monitoring. This upgraded feeding system ensures consistent performance across a wide range of materials. Effortless setup and fully automatic leveling. Designed for convenience, the K2 SE offers a true plug-and-play experience with approximately 5-minute assembly. The touchscreen quick guide walks users through automatic bed leveling, fan calibration, and initial setup. The one-tap leveling system eliminates manual adjustments, improving first-layer success and making it beginner-friendly while still suitable for experienced users. Optimized large build volume. With a 220 x 215 x 245 mm build area, the K2 SE provides ample space for functional parts, household items, figurines, and multi-component assemblies. It maintains consistent print quality across both small, detailed models and larger structural builds, offering flexibility for creative and engineering applications. The Creality K2 SE combines high-speed Core XY performance, a durable metal frame, and expandable multicolor capability into one versatile 3D printer. Whether you're printing detailed figurines or functional prototypes, it delivers speed, stability, and ease of use in a reliable, future-ready machine.